Okay, so what I ended up doing with this left side frame guard was just widening that hole a little bit for my small socket to fit in there. Now it does have a a socket end on that nut, as well as an attachment, as all KTM and Huskies do, for a Torx, but I like to use my small socket in there. So I just oblonged out a little bit with the Dremel and the tool, and now that little socket fits in there perfectly. So I'll snap this on. Okay, left side is on. Remember to Loctite these guys. And there's it tied in. You can barely see that, but I got the head of the zip tie down here so it doesn't interfere with any wiring on the inside of the frame. And yeah, Donnie Seeley, Profound Carbon Works, Moncton, New Brunswick. Look them up. So that's it for today. When I come back the next time, I'm going to start tearing down the bearings, wheel bearings, steering head bearing, repack those, rear wheel bearing as well, and take the shock off and the swing arm, and have a look at all the bearings and the grease situation in those, as well as the linkage. And then I'll get to raising the swing arm, or the subframe up, and taking the throttle body apart, and just give myself some more room to access the crankcase pressure sensor, and drop that tray out and clean everything, and as well as the other sensor, ambient air pressure sensor. And that should be pretty much it. So until next time, thanks for watching.